Welcome to DelphStack. In this video, I will show you how to fix missing power plans in Windows 11 using a simple and safe method. If your power plans, like balanced or high performance, are missing, this usually means the default power schemes were removed or corrupted. First, click on the Start menu and type CMD. In the search results, you will see Command Prompt. Right-click on it and choose Run as Administrator. This step is important because power settings require admin access. When the Command Prompt window opens, type the following command exactly as shown. Power CFG Restore Default Schemes. After typing the command, press Enter on your keyboard. Windows will now restore all default power plans automatically. You may not see a confirmation message, but the command will reset everything in the background. Once this is done, close Command Prompt. Now open the Control Panel. You can do this by searching for Control Panel in the Start menu. Inside Control Panel, click on View By and select Large Icons, and then go to Power Options. Here, you should see the default power plans again. If you still want to create a custom power plan, click on Create a Power Plan from the left side. Choose a base plan such as Balanced. This will be the starting point for your new power plan. Click Next. Give your power plan a name so you can recognize it later. After that, click Next again, then click Create. Your new power plan is now active and ready to use. Thanks for watching.